What if one Bible verse, repeated for just 7 days, could begin changing the way you think? Not because the verse has magical powers, not because repeating words automatically fixes your life, but because your brain becomes shaped by whatever it hears the most. Think about it. Most people repeat fear every day. What if something goes wrong? What if I fail? What if nothing ever changes? Day after day, the same thoughts, the same worries, the same fears. And eventually those thoughts become their reality. But what happens when you start repeating God's truth instead? What happens when truth becomes louder than fear? Today, I want to challenge you to repeat one powerful verse for the next 7 days. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why that simple habit can begin transforming your mind.
Your brain is always listening. Most people think transformation starts with action, but it actually starts with attention. Because whatever you repeatedly focus on, your brain begins strengthening. This is why negative thinking becomes automatic. The brain learns through repetition. If you repeat fear long enough, fear becomes familiar. If you repeat doubt long enough, doubt becomes natural. And if you repeat truth long enough, truth begins replacing the lies. Whether you realize it or not, you're already repeating something every day. The question is, what are you repeating?
The verse. The verse I want you to focus on is Philippians 4:8. It says, "Whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things." Notice something powerful. Paul isn't telling people to focus on everything. He's telling them to focus on specific things: truth, purity, goodness, excellence. Because what occupies your mind eventually shapes your life.
Why most people stay stuck? Many people want peace, but they spend all day feeding anxiety. They want confidence, but they constantly repeat insecurity. They want faith, but they keep rehearsing fear. The brain simply follows whatever receives the most attention. That's why Proverbs says, "As a man thinks in his heart, so is he." Your thoughts become beliefs. Your beliefs become actions. And your actions shape your future. The 7-Day Challenge. For the next 7 days, start your morning with Philippians 4:8. Read it slowly. Don't rush. Think about every word. Then, throughout the day, whenever anxiety appears, return to the verse. Whenever negativity appears, return to the verse. Whenever fear appears, return to the verse. Because every time you do that, you're training your attention. And where attention goes, mental pathways grow. The science behind it. Modern neuroscience calls this neuroplasticity. The brain changes based on repeated thoughts. The more you think a thought, the stronger that pathway becomes. This is why habits form. This is why fears grow. And this is why truth can transform the mind. The Bible taught this principle long before science gave it a name. Repeated truth creates new patterns of thinking, and new patterns create new outcomes. What you may notice. After a few days, you may start noticing something. Negative thoughts don't disappear completely, but they lose some of their power. You catch them faster. You challenge them sooner. You stop believing every thought that enters your mind.
And that's where freedom begins. Not when negative thoughts stop appearing, but when they stop controlling you. For the next 7 days, give your mind a different message. Instead of repeating fear, repeat truth. Instead of feeding anxiety, feed faith. Instead of focusing on everything that's wrong, focus on what God says is true. Because your brain is always listening, and the thoughts you repeat today are helping create the person you'll become tomorrow. So accept the challenge. 7 days, 1 verse, and see what begins to change.